Okay, he just put the potatoes in.
The color.
And he chopped them up in squares of different sizes.
Stir, still hear it sizzling. So we're just going to stir it around a little bit. Move it.
It smells so good. It's going to take how long? Next?
Well, until the coals really burn down, which will be, you just kind of leave it on here and let the coals burn down. So
yeah,
like
we leave it and we stir it every
2.5, 3 hours.
20, 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
How beautiful. Last but not least will be the corn, right? When do we put that in?
I'm going to put the stock in, make a stock right now, and then we'll put it in.
Stock is next. So our stock is...
We're boiling some water, so I'm going to use a pre-made, this is an organic chicken stock, but it's a liquid broth. So it's concentrated.
Who's this one by? Where did we get this? Did we get it at Whole Foods? Or?
They do have it at Whole Foods. So you mix it. It's an organic product. It's a superior product from what I believe. And it goes into boiling water.
And how much of it do we do?
Well, I usually do 3 spoons because we have a lot of water it's going to go in.
So like 2 cups water?
Yeah.
That's it? It's just 2 spoons?
That's all you need.
The rest is from...
The rest is going to be water, so it's actually going to dilute it even more.
The flavor is from the vegetables.
The vegetables,
yes. Or sauteed.
Yeah.
So the flavor doesn't come from the broth or...
It adds an element to it, but the flavor is really coming out of the vegetables. The kale is going to go in also when we put the carrots, or we put the corn in. And then
when it's done, we put fresh kale in.